What's good, YouTube? It's your boy King2Forex, and I'm back with another motherfucking video, man. In this video, I wanted to talk about all gas, no motherfucking brakes. So when I first started out this Forex journey, when I used to get tired, when I used to get so sick and tired of just losing, I would just take a break. I would take a break for 2 weeks, come back, do the same shit, then take a break another 2 weeks, come back, do the same shit. And it was just this repeating cycle of just bullshit, just blowing accounts after accounts, putting money, blowing it again, putting money again, blowing it again. And I started to feel this way actually last Monday, literally. And this is when I think I made that I'm struggling video or whatever. I was about to quit. I was not quit like Forex quit, but I was about to like just stop for a bit, take a break, mental break, come back and you know, pretend things were okay. In reality, things are not okay. When you're going through these tough, hard times of, damn, I feel like I want to fucking just stop and leave everything and just stop doing what I'm doing and just come back mentally refreshed. Fuck that shit. Why are you doing that? All you're doing is postponing your route to success. You're just taking a pit stop for no reason. For what? What other fuel do you need? Is failure not enough for you to say, fuck it, I'm gonna keep on going until I get this shit? Is failure not enough? Okay, then this isn't for you. If you need to be taking breaks constantly because you're feeling burnt out, this isn't for you. You have to be so fucking committed to this. You have to pull endless nights. Now listen, if you're already in your journey long enough where you already developed your strategy, now you just need to work on your mentality part of things. You don't have to pull endless nights, but you have to still be all gas, no motherfucking brakes. When you feel burnt out, those are the times where you break through. When I was feeling burnt out on Monday, I was about to say, okay, I'm gonna just stop for a bit and then come back next week. But you know what? I said, fuck it. I'm gonna show up on Tuesday, I'm gonna show up on Wednesday, I'm gonna show up on Thursday. And guess what happened? I followed my strategy, my plan, everything to the T. And shit worked out. When you're in these little craters of failure, you know when an asteroid drops and it leaves a fucking crater, like this big hole, that's what I'm referring to, like a little hole in the ground. When you're in this little failure of a hole, or hole of a failure, whatever the fuck you want to call it, when you're in this little hole, you're like blinded. You're like, oh my god. The only thing you can see around you is just dirt, right? You're just in the fucking mud. You're just dirt. But you don't see the bigger vision. You don't see above and outside of that little hole that you're in. These little holes, these little ruts that you get yourself into, the only way that you're gonna be able to overcome these and continue to overcome these in the future is by getting out of them. How the fuck else do you think it's gonna happen? You're not gonna magically wake up one day and you're gonna be a profitable trader. This shit will take time. It's gonna take a lot of fucking time. And why would you postpone it? All gas, no motherfucking brakes. This shit will not come easy. It will not. But you have to do everything in your fucking power to make it happen. I'm gonna be real with you. You, the viewer, are probably not gonna make it. Just statistically, you're probably not gonna make it. I want you to fucking prove me wrong. Prove yourself wrong that you will make it. Prove yourself right. You have to be so fucking, you have to have a delusional self-belief in yourself to pursue this shit, to continue to pursue this shit after you're just tired of losing. The average will quit. I'm not saying this to say I'm above average, because you know I'm really not. I'm just me. But I'm telling you that most people, they will quit when they get into these ruts, these little holes, these little craters of, oh my god, I can't see the light at the end of the tunnel, God help me. You have to pull yourself out of that shit. You have to continue to push through that shit. If you don't, that's where it all ends. If you continue to allow yourself to take breaks like these, if you continue to allow yourself to just say, oh, I need a mental break, I'm mentally burnt out, fuck you. Oh, my girlfriend just left me, fuck you. Yes, when tragic things happen, we need time to process it. But in my opinion, the only way to get stronger, to be stronger than that shit, is to fight that shit. Man, last Monday I was feeling fucking down. I was feeling in a rut. I was feeling fucking threatened by these markets. I'm like, bro, holy shit. I'm on my melting point. But you know what? Right after your melting point comes your breakthrough. I'm telling you, today's Saturday the 17th. On Monday the 12th, bro, it just didn't feel real to me. But I'm telling you, man, this week or last week, I saw things in the market that just made so much fucking sense to me, and I executed on it. I didn't just look at it and watch it fly by. I executed on it, and it's working out. As long as you're continuously moving in that direction, there is no way you will not make it. As long as you don't stop. All gas, no motherfucking brakes. It's pedal to the metal in this bitch. Now I know some of you might think I'm crazy, but I know there are people out here that feel this way. They need to keep on pushing themselves and pushing themselves to the limit in order to force themselves to grow. When your back is against the wall, you will do amazing fucking things. Amazon, on the verge of losing their entire company. What happened? I don't know. But some years later, they made it. Jeff Bezos didn't say, oh, I'm going to quit this because I'm about to lose my whole company. What the fuck do you have to lose? You don't have anything to lose. You have to continue this until you reach profitability. That is your only fucking option. I don't give a fuck what you have to, like, I don't give a fuck about your hindering beliefs, your limiting beliefs of, oh, well, what if I don't? What will my mom say about me? What X person is gonna say about me? Fuck them. You have to put in so much fucking work that you don't have the time to even think about that. You cannot leave room for thinking about that shit. If you have a plan B, plan A was never meant to work out. This is your plan A, motherfucker. This right here, this life right here is your plan A, motherfucker. Fuck a plan B. You were meant for greater things than a plan B, motherfucker. What? Obviously, do your due diligence in your own life. Right? But I promise you, bro, if you just keep pushing through these breaking points of, oh, I feel so exhausted, I'm so tired of losing these markets, oh my god, I'm so tired of losing X amount of money, I'm just so fed up with it. Keep on pushing through that. I promise you, you will learn something about yourself. You see breakthroughs. All of a sudden, you're not losing trades anymore. All of a sudden, you're winning trades. All of a sudden, you're moving towards profitability. All of a sudden, you're not risking more than 1%. All of a sudden, you're not taking more than 2 trades a day. All of a sudden, you're not blowing accounts. All of a sudden, you're a profitable trader. All of a sudden, you're not losing money anymore. All of a sudden, you can take care of your family. All of a sudden, your life changes. Your life will not change unless you put the action in for it to change. I learned this shit the motherfucking hard way. And I'm still learning it to this day. But I know I am doing everything I fucking can to keep pushing through this journey, bro. This is the hardest thing you will ever fucking do in your life. If you truly are committed to this is the hardest thing you will ever fucking do in your life. Trust me. I'm not speaking from experience here because I haven't gotten to that point yet. But when we get to that point, when me and you get to that point, we're gonna look back at this and say, fuck yeah, I did that shit. I'm gonna say this quote from Eminem because I was listening to Rap God the other day, and he said, I bully myself because I make me do what I put my mind to. This is essentially what the fuck this is right here. You need to bully yourself at your own mercy, motherfucker. Until you're about to explode, and then you keep on going. You repeat the motherfucking cycle. You feel burnt out, breakthrough. Keep going, breakthrough. Then you feel burnt out again, breakthrough, motherfucker. You need to bully yourself in these markets. Don't let the market bully you. You be your own fucking bully, motherfucker. I promise you, this will be the most rewarding thing you will ever reap. Ever. You know how people say reap what you sow? This is what... The benefits that you will reap will outweigh any doubt you ever had in your mind about yourself, ever. All gas, no brakes, motherfucker. Live life on your own terms and live. If you need to pull an all-nighter to study these charts, do it. Don't let no motherfucker tell you. Don't even let me tell you. If this doesn't resonate with you, fuck me then. It doesn't matter what the fuck I say. If this does not resonate with you, fuck me then. But you need to live life on your own terms. You need to have your own schedule. You need to, if you want to work out for 4 hours a day, do it, motherfucker. If you want to study for 10 hours straight, if you want to study these charts for 10 hours straight, do it, motherfucker. Because that will only bring you closer to your goals. You need to be obsessed with this shit. I say this every time. You need to be obsessed with this shit. Let me show you something. You see this right here? These are charts that I have printed out. These are some charts that I have printed out. I just have them sitting around. Those are my winning trades from last week. Winning trades from last week. I've been just sitting around in my room. I'm looking at them. I'm manifesting this shit, motherfucker. I'm obsessed with this shit. I don't know how to explain it. You just have to know that you love this, and you have to know that you're gonna make it. You're gonna get through this shit. I sound so delusional right now, but motherfucker, this is what you need. This is the talk that most people don't understand because they want to have work-life balance. Fuck a work-life balance, motherfucker. If you want to have fun with your family, with your friends, go ahead. But make sure you're doing every fucking thing you can to succeed in this Forex journey, bro. In your trading journey, in your fitness journey. You feel me? So, I hope you took something out of this video, and if not, fuck you then. Peace.
Just need to strip away the perfection and get to, if I directionally move in this way over a long enough period of time, I will get there. As long as I don't stop.